Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be going over the C2 Summit Survival Kit, Survival Pouch. This would be perfect for canoeing, kayaking, anything in the marine area. But it'd be also perfect for side-by-sides or four-wheelers, or throw in your backpack when you're riding your dirt bike. Just something perfect to have on you and to get you through a night if you get stranded out there. Yeah. So we just have the basic smaller C2 Summit waterproof bag, pouch. I'm gonna do it here. You can tell we have a good amount of stuff packed in there. Right on top, we have an emergency blanket or Mylar emergency blanket. Great for reflecting your heat back on you. For signaling, tonight we have a glow stick. What you do is you attach this to some cordage and you just swing it around, usually 3.5 feet long of cordage, and it makes a nice bright red circle. Makes you more sightable and organized. Next, there are 3 SOS Food Lab Ink water bags. This will get you started. Fire starting, we have a mini Bic. Some nutrition, there's some sardines, wild Oscar. We also have some light tuna. And also some nuts, and dried fruit, some more sugar, we have some strawberry jam. Here's our first aid kit, some basic bandages, some basic ibuprofen, aspirin, non-aspirin, Metalite, triple antibiotics, lip balm, sunscreen, and also a sting relief pad. Another pack of nuts. Another pack of nuts. So that's 3 packs of nuts. We also have some beef bouillon cubes here. 6 of those. For the light, we have a small flashlight. We have a survival card, which has a little fork or spearhead, 2 needles, some line collectors, an arrowhead, some hooks. We also have a small signal mirror, magnification card, here's our sewing kit, a very basic one. Just have some thread, your needle, cardboard. Sorry guys if I seem out of it. I'm going camping today, so I gotta get a couple of videos done so I can be out of town for a while. Here we have some snare wire. We have a small fishing kit. This is the one I made out of the spice kit. I really like this one. Pop this open. Sometimes there's a little bit of a trick, but they do come out. You have your snap-on sinkers, your hooks, and get back in there. Of course, your line around it. I just went ahead and built borders with some thicker tape here and wrap my line. The electrical tape just keeps the end nice and secured without a hook. Here's our water purification tablets. Wrapped some duct tape. Can both be used for gear repair or just fire starting. Have a 9-hour emergency candle. These things work great. Got me through a rough night in the winter. I believe it was last winter, not this winter. I have a wire saw just for basic cutting needs. 1 second. For nutrition, we have some mustard. Forgot who suggested that we add this to the kit, but we did add our mustard. Supposedly it has enough, or a good amount of nutrients, so it's reasonable to add. Here's our fire starter, or ferrocerium rod with a striker, all ready to go. For water containment, we have 2 water containment bags here, tied up with some trash ties. For signaling for help, We have a signal whistle, emergency whistle. We have a UST or UTS, water activated towelette. This can be used for hygiene, first aid, or even water filtration. Here we have some tinder, which is cotton balls wrapped up with our ties, just to give you a better chance of fire starting when you have the ferrocerium and you have to use that. For cordage, we have some 550 paracord wrapped up with our ties again. As you can tell, I like to use my ties, keep everything compact and in its place. For navigation, we have a very basic compass, but it works very well. Here we have some tin foil for cooking, or even starting a fire on a nice dry surface, or even signaling. We have some basic duct tape, just for gear repair, fire starting, signaling, trail marking, first aid, anything like that. And then we have our matches for fire starting, of course. So we have 3 ways of fire starting. And then for our cutting tool, we have our Swiss Army knife, which of course has our basic blade. Oh, if I get it out. Our basic blade, our smaller blade, can opener, bottle opener, screwdriver, corkscrew, and then our awl, and of course our toothpick, and our tweezers. Oop. Oop. Getting too excited. And that's our kit, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, what you guys would change. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Have a nice day. Beautiful, beautiful day. I hope the weather is beautiful for you guys as well as it is for me. And I hope you guys are going outside and enjoying it. Thank you guys for watching.